In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Advanced Features. Then tap on Dual Messenger at the bottom and use one of those switches next to one of your available apps to clone the chosen one. Hit Install, tap on Confirm, and wait. So when I go back and check my app, I can see that it was successfully cloned. If you wish to get rid of this clone, go back to the same settings and use No Blue switcher. Then hit Uninstall and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!